I have some Indian hawthorns that are losing their leaves. They are growing in red clay. Is the dirt the culprit? What would you suggest I do? I can dig them up and add compost to the soil if you think that will help. What kind of compost would you suggest? And this is KK Daniels, YouTube. I like this. So they're growing in red clay.
Yes.
Is the dirt the culprit though?
Possibly.
But they're losing their leaves, and we're thinking a disease.
Yes.
Right? Entomosporium leaf spot will be that disease.
So that's probably what it's got.
Right.
Because we had a lot of wet, rainy weather.
Yes.
And we don't know where it's at, where it's planted.
Right.
You know, if it's up next to a building, there's not good air circulation. That's going to be a problem. Again, you know, prune to make sure that you have nice, airy, open spots so that you don't get dead air pockets, to have the nice environment for that disease to spread.
Right.
Is it low? I mean, does water stand around it? Does that whole area that you've got it planted in, does it drain? Because hawthorns like well-drained soil. So if the clay is not well drained in that area, you don't want to just amend that particular plant, because then you're going to create a bowl that it's going to sit in.
Good point.
So I would get more of the same soil and maybe raise it up with the same soil. So you'll have a mound of area right around where it's planted. And I have done that with shrubs. I had 5 azaleas planted in a row, and one in the middle kept dying. Well, I actually took extra soil, the same soil as there, and potted it up, and it seemed to solve the problem. So I have, you know, for whatever reason, but it just needs to be well drained is the problem. And of course, there's always try to use resistant varieties.
Yes.
And there is one called Georgia Petite that is supposed to be very resistant to the leaf spot diseases. And I have planted a lot of those, and they are. I mean, they still get it, but they are quite resistant to the leaf spot diseases. So try to find resistant varieties if possible.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.